Back home now, Montego Bay United's fight to avoid relegation got stronger as they all but condemned Reno with a 2-1 victory in the Red Stripe Premier League at Frome on Sunday.
First, it was a case of whether it would be the two Western teams that would be relegated from the Premier League. Now it's a case of can Montego Bay United beat the odds after picking up 8 points from a possible 12 in their last 4 outings. Goals from Dwayne Ambersley and Leslie St. Fleur helped Montego Bay United pile more pressure on Reno, who are now the overwhelming favourites to be relegated with a 2-1 win. Donovan Brown got Reno's consolation goal. At the other end of the spectrum, Mount Pleasant are on the verge of securing a playoff berth in their first season. Francois Swaby returned to his old stomping ground to score the 13th minute winner as Mount Pleasant beat Humble Lion 1-0. Woolry Wolves saw red for Humble Lion, who are losing their 4th game in a row under interim coach O'Neill Bigger Thompson.
I'm very excited. For me, it's no new ground for me personally, but with our philosophy, the brand Mount Pleasant, it's a personal achievement to be the first-time team to have achieved this.
Ever since the last couple of games, I think the decision that we have been getting from officiating sometimes is a bit harsh, and we have to continue. I mean, at the end of the day, the referee are still human being and they are prone to make mistakes, but some of the time the ones that they have been making is the ones that have been harming us.
Portmore United moved closer to the $1 million bonus prize after clipping UWI 1-0 at the UWI Bowl. The leaders were down to 10 men when defender Damana Solomon saw red in the 68th minute. However, Javon East's 76th-minute penalty was enough to get the job done, although UWI will regret their missed opportunity from the spot.
It was an even first half. Both teams testing out each other and seeing each other out. But I think when we went 10 man down, our level rise, our quality rise, and the guys did a good job today.
It's through our own efforts why they even got that penalty, and I believe we did well to get back to some level of parity with the penalty, but it wasn't just not to be.
Cavalier were held to a 1-1 draw by Dunbeholden in a heated encounter at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Nicholas Hamilton and Kemo Gale were both sent off in the 30th minute after trading blows. After tensions eased, Leonardo Ranking put Cavalier in front in the 41st minute from the penalty spot. But Lorenzo Dubidad earned Dunbeholden a share of the points with a strike just after the halftime break. Cavalier would end the match with 9 men as Jeremy Nelson was sent off for a second yellow in the 63rd minute. Daniel Blake, TVJ Sports.